How to put Twitch chat on OBS screen. Hello and welcome to TechTube. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can put your Twitch chat on OBS screen. For that, make sure you have OBS Studio installed on your PC. To get started, open any browser on your device and at the search bar type twitch.tv and press enter to search it. Here, make sure you are logged into your account. Once you log into your account, you will reach to this interface of Twitch website. Here at the right top, you will see your profile icon. Click on the profile icon and from there select channel. After selecting channel, you will be taken to your channel page. Here you will see chat option. Click on this chat option and this window will appear at the right side. Here at the bottom you will see settings icon. Click on the settings and from here choose pop out chat. Once you do so, at the left side you will see a link of your Twitch chat. Here copy this link and now open your OBS Studio. So after opening OBS Studio, here at the left side you will see various options. Click on this docs option and then from there select custom browser docs. Now here you can type Twitch or Twitch chat for your doc name and at this box here paste the URL or the link that you have copied earlier. After pasting the link, now click on this apply button below and there you can see you have successfully put Twitch chat on your OBS screen. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.